Good morning, peeps. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first vlog in a while. I am going to vlog my new apartment for you all. As you can see, I have my makeup on and my hair done. So we will pause this, flip the camera around and let you all see. Now we're recording again. This is the front door. You come in, I have a mat at the door. I have this wooden floor, creamish coloured wall. When you come in here, I've just got some shopping bags in the ready for when I go shopping. Big, small, medium size. Here I have a little storage heater. And on top of that, I have hand sanitizers to beat the band. Anybody coming in. Here I have some bed linen, but there's nowhere to store it. If you come in here, you'll see my hot press, which there is absolutely no room to store anything in, which is a bit disappointing, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. Okay, and then the next room is the bathroom. Now I will slip in some footage here or a picture here of what it was like before. I have been like a maniac. I have been shopping as well. As you can see, I have to get some soap for here, but I have my toothbrush in there. I have just the usual, and I have some of my tanning stuff and my back scrubber in there. I'll have to get a little shelving for this. I've cleaned it to within an inch of its life, floor and ceiling, the whole lot got done. And you come out of my bathroom, you come into my little bedroom, which is quite small. I'm sleeping on a blow-up bed until my furniture gets delivered, and I think I may have to wait for a week or so for that because I want to get the floors done before I get the furniture in, because it's just too awkward doing the flooring I want done. I have a storage heater here that's quite small. I have a little bed. I have one of the chairs out of the kitchen. I have a wardrobe. My wardrobe has a mirror, which I will show you as an outfit of the day while I'm here. I'm wearing a pair of ripped jeans, floral top. Let's see if I can get a closer look. This was left behind. It's not mine. I've washed it out inside and out with Sephora and bleach. This is my outfit of the day. God, I look very big in this outfit. I'm wearing a t-shirt, a pair of ripped jeans and a pair of pink Vans. And that's it. Then you come out of the bedroom, which is quite small. I have a bucket there with some boiling water in, which I will empty into the bathroom sink. And then you come into my kitchen. I have countertop here. Big bin I bought yesterday underneath. There's a kettle there that's not mine. I will, however, keep that for watering the plants. When I get plants outside, I'll find a spot to stash that under a sink or something. I have a few little utensils I bought. I bought them little utensils, the pink and the grey. I have my Sephora bottle. Then when you come here, I have all of this countertop cleaned, which is why I have stuff scattered on it. I am not using the presses. I have some of the presses done, but the ones I can't reach, I can't do. So I'm going to get myself a little pair of a little mini, it's not a ladder, it's a step ladder type thing. I have a window here with some grey curtains, which I actually don't mind the grey curtains. They're quite nice. I might actually just wash them and when I get my washing machine in and keep them because I do like them. They're double-sided and they're grey, to the colour grey I want. Maybe. Then you come down the kitchen. I have a kitchen table. One of the chairs is in the bedroom. The other three are here, and that's the table. When I came in here yesterday, one of the first things I did was take all the furniture and wash it all from top to toe with bleach and Sephora and disinfectant. I have a fridge there that's in a really shitty position. It's a bitch to clean. Can't be used. Won't be used. Until I get a new one. I have this lovely picture here, lads. I think you'll enjoy this picture. It's quite nice. It is lovely. I'm going to keep that, and I'm going to keep that hanging there. Or I might move that into the bedroom because I'm thinking of a different theme for the bedroom, but we'll see. The curtains that are here are absolutely horrendous, and I hate them. They will be the first things that go. I've kept the coffee table because I did like the colour of it. It matches in with the other furniture in the room, so I will be keeping that. I have a little lamp here that was left behind. I knew about that lamp, I requested it. This one over here I did not request, and I did not request the one that was in the bathroom. And that's the panoramic view. That's my kitchen. It is small, but I'm one person. I don't need a huge. And that's my sitting room. And that, my friends, is of my new abode. And that, my friends, is a grand tour of my humble little abode, which there's a lot of work to be done. I have plans. The flooring is a disaster. The place was manky when I came here. So the chaps that lived here before me were absolute dirty, filthy animals, is all I can say. I curled my hair this morning. I'm just going to head out to dinner. I'm going to see if Harry's in Kinnegad down the road has any sort of food on a Sunday afternoon, maybe avail of something. I'm starving. Well, I'm not starving, but I could do with a nice Diet Coke and just, I don't know what to have, but I'll definitely have something. So that's it. That's my humble abode. Small. I will film again when it's done up. I'll probably film little vlogs of this and that, but the actual place will not be filmed again in total from entry to exit out the back until I have completed the works. Now I'm going to stand over here so you can see my balcony. I forgot to show you the balcony. You can photobomb the balcony. There it is there. And it goes all the way around. And it's really nice. So lads, that's it. That's my tour of my little humble abode. I hope you're having a very good weekend. Not having the best hair day in the world, and the makeup went on flawless, thank fuck. And I contoured myself to within an inch of my life. Right, okay, talk to you later. God bless. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.